Hi, my dear student. This is Mohan P. Kankurti. Today I introducing movement and associations, especially the social science part 1 book. This is very important movement and associations. The social science part 1, especially the history and political science sections. This will be useful for SLC student, easy to learn and recognize, and this is also one of the objective learning by technology. The first one slide. Here one of the personalities there. The name is Henry Louis Vivian Dereggio. Dereggio is a Anglo-Indian. The many movements started in Calcutta. The that's why we are calling the Calcutta is the center of new thinking way in India. The many social and religious reformation held in 18th century, and one of the important movement that is the started in Bengal, that is we called Young Bengal movement. This movement started from Henry Louis Vivian Dereggio. This movement will started the main purpose to discuss and debate on the issue like nature, humanism, God, and other various types of issue to create one association to discussion the moment. The he started the academic association also. The academic association, a free thinking debates association, it new thinking in across Bengal. The another one personality, Swami Dayanand Saraswati. The Dayanand Saraswati started Arya Samaja in Katewada in Gujarat state. The important program of Arya Samaja is Shuddhi movement. The Shuddhi movement have the main aim to reconversion of people who had converted to Islam and Christian from Hindus back to Hindu. That's he started the Shuddhi movement. The another one association started from Swami Dayanand Saraswati, that is Cow Protection Association. This is the main aim to protect the cows. The another one important, that is Vidyalaya. We also call the school. He opened the school. The name is Gurukul Vidyalaya because in that time the many peoples they are converted into Muslim or Islam and Christians, and he also called the Shuddhi movement. That's why he started Gurukul Vidyalaya. The main aim of this Vidyalaya to fulfill the knowledge of Vedas to give from Gurukul Vidyalaya. The another one great personality, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. A new wave of social and religious reformation was in Muslim society. This is Aligarh movement. The Aligarh movement started by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. It started debate and discussion on the issue related the religious and social problems of in that time. The another one great personality, Annie Besant. She arrived India as a member of Theosophical Society in India. She advocated the Indian culture is far more superior to the Western culture. She started Home Rule movement in Madras. The main aim of this movement to create the religious reformation to give the new sensibility for Hinduism. The another one great personality, Sri Narayan Guru. To strengthen the backward and exploited community, he had the one idea, that is one caste, one religious and one god. That's way, this is the need for human being. That's why he started Dharma Paripalana Yogam by Sri Narayan Guru. Sri Narayan Guru belongs to Kerala state. The many exploited peoples of backward and exploited in the lower classes people, there is no entry to enter the temple. That's why the Sri Narayan Guru started one movement to entry to the temple, and that is we are calling the Vaikom movement. The another one personality E.V. Ramasamy Naikar. He also known as Periyar. Periyar means senior person. Senior person means out of love by people. He started one movement. The movement is self-respect movement, and this will be self-respected because that time is the exploited of the peoples. That's why he started self-respect movement. And also the another one movement, that is also we are calling this also one of the associations started from E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar. Also we are calling this Periyara. He started one association, and that is Dravid Kalakam. Thank you. If you interested this video, please share, like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.